Hi guys, I'm Scott. Thanks for stopping by. It's a beautiful morning in New Mexico. Hope things are great where you are. If you're watching this, most likely you spent your time at school studying calculus rather than music, things like modes and harmonics. But that's okay. We're going to use the skills we have to learn the guitar fast. And we're going to do this by focusing on fundamentals. And the fundamentals we're going to look at today are the chromatic scale and an octave. Now, an octave is a musical interval where the notes have a frequency ratio of a factor of 2. If we look at an octave, say the octave for A, we can start on the second string, and we can get the octave to repeat on the note A on the 12th fret. Between these two notes are the 12 notes of the chromatic scale. These are identified by the 7 letters of the alphabet, plus a few in between that have sharps or flats on them. And the key part of this is that any two adjacent notes on the fretboard have a frequency ratio of a factor of the 12th root of 2. So have we learned something fundamental yet? I think we have. Music is based on intervals, and physics says shorter strings vibrate at higher frequencies. If we combine these two ideas, we can actually calculate the width of the frets. And we'll figure out pretty quick that those frets get smaller as we move down the actual neck of the guitar. And that's about as fundamental as it gets. I'm Scott. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.